Welcome to DHG's guide on how our listing coordinator ensures your open house is a success. Every Monday, our listing coordinator begins by planning open houses based on the availability of our team agents. By Tuesday, the listing coordinator confirms open house details with you, ensuring everything is set for the weekend. By Wednesday, your open house is live on MLS. If our primary agents aren't available, we find a qualified agent with Real to host your open house. An email confirmation is sent to the agent 48 hours before the event with all the details they need. We provide the hosting agent with everything they need, including your property's details and any special instructions. After the open house, our listing coordinator follows up promptly to gather feedback and any hot leads, delivering valuable insights to you within 24 to 48 hours. Please keep in mind that weekends or holidays might cause a slight delay in getting feedback to you. Rest assured, we're working hard to get that information to you as quickly as possible. At DHG, our listing coordinator works tirelessly to ensure every open house runs smoothly, helping you achieve the best results. Trust us to handle the details so you can focus on what's next. Thank you for watching. Let DHG guide you every step of the way.